Hi and welcome. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to get an iOS control center on GIGASET GS190. First, you have to go to the Google Play Store and look for Control Center iOS 14, Control Center iOS 14, install. Wait for a short while. Tap on open. Wait for a short while. Allow display over all the apps. Swipe to the left. Tap on that button in the bottom right corner. Of course, there's an advertisement. Let me just lower the volume and skip. Great, now it should be working. Let's try and exit. Now it's hard to spot, but there's a bluish line on the right side. Let's try swiping from its position to the left. Request permission. You have to give another permission. Allow modifying system settings. Now it should work without any problems. Yeah, so as you can see, we are on GIGASET GS190 and we still can have this iOS control center on our phone. And that's everything for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please leave a like on this video. Oh, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Goodbye.